So, this event was, called by our chief commerce minister when he said that we need to build exhibitions which are of a scale which is in line with the aspiration of the country, which is very large. So, I think 15 to 17 months back, the commerce minister in a meeting said we should have world class and very large exhibitions, and Bharat Mobility is a dream which has come out of that. And today I'm very proud to share that with every entity support, all the partner organizations for which EEPC India is a coordinating agency, we've already established ourselves as the second largest mobility conference in the world in our second year itself. And at the pace with which we are going, very hopeful that by next year, this will be the largest mobility exhibition in the whole world. So, and I think what will happen very soon, that anybody who's part of this ecosystem, be it a tire manufacturer, be it EV manufacturers, be it any auto component manufacturer, or batteries, EV charging, or any allied industry, all of them would make this a permanent fixture, and they would make sure that they are here for Bharat Mobility, come hail, come strong. So I think that's something that we are very proud of, and I hope this truly becomes an event which puts India fairly and squarely on the international map as far as manufacturing and make in India and make for the world is concerned. It is an yearly feature. Last year and this year, this is the second edition, and I'm sure that we will have it again next year around the same time. So, the response has been more than spontaneous. It has been something which was not expected. Three particular, properties were used. We had Yashobhumi, Bharat Mandapam, and the Noida Expo Center. All are being used. And I still know a lot of people who said they've not got either space at all or they've not got enough space. So, I think in the future this will only improve, and I think it will add a lot of value to all the companies here, yes, but even to the consumer. Somebody who's interested in buying a vehicle, there is no better platform than Bharat Mobility. So, we can expect this to become a feature where a lot of consumers are coming here to explore what options they have and interacting directly with the brand. So, yeah. Thank you.
Inputs, and wish you all the best for taking this forward.
Thank you.
And making it a further success.
Thank you.